Google reveals everything. The Pixel 8 family is officially coming on October 14th, but Google cannot stop leaking stuff. This has to be the craziest leak of all time. Thanks to Google's Pixel Simulator, we're gonna have our first complete look at the full design of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. First up, we have all three colors of the Pixel 8 Pro, starting from the black, blue, and the white model. Now looking at the full tour of the design, there is the NFC chip on the back. Then we have a temperature sensor, something we don't get to see on phones, so pretty unique. Moving on to LED flash, the rear facing camera, which is Samsung's best ISOCELL GN2 sensor, definitely their biggest, allowing Pixel 8 Pro to get more light in and have some amazing quality photos and videos. After the rear facing camera, we have the microphone along with the ultra-wide-angle lens, and finally the 5x telephoto lens. Moving on the side, the simulator reveals a volume up and down button followed by the power button, and then we see on the left hand side we have a SIM card tray. On the top there is another microphone along with the 5G antenna cover. As for the bottom, we have the speaker, the bottom microphone, and the USB-C port. And finally, the simulator reveals the front design of the phone, and you can see depending on which color you go for, the home screen wallpaper and theme is color coordinated, and once again the blue model looks the best in my opinion. This is of course roughly a 6.7-inch display, looking pretty good when it comes to the bezel ratio. We have some more clean images of the side profile looking pretty good. Of course, aluminum side, which is color coordinated depending on which color you go for. And finally, we have that side angle look for that sky blue model. Honestly, this is looking beautiful. So that is Pixel 8 Pro in its full glory, all directly from Google. There is no leak or anything. This is pretty much as official as it can get. Also in the news, it seems like Google will be pushing this ISOCELL GN2 camera sensor from Samsung to its absolute limits. For the first time ever, the Pixel 8 Pro will introduce night sight for video. This might be one of the biggest changes to the video performance on the Pixel lineup, especially in low light situations. We have seen how magical night sight is for the photos, so hopefully that magic will transfer to the video performance as well. Speaking of performance, the Tensor G3 is coming and is going to be using the same 4nm process that Samsung will be utilizing for the Exynos 2400 next year for the Galaxy S24 lineup, which means the Tensor G3 chip is basically going to give us the early glimpse of what to expect from the Exynos 2400 in terms of the performance leaps and most importantly the efficiency. So there we go, that's the full overview of the Pixel 8 Pro. I have to say the blue color looks absolutely amazing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.